Is your 2019 Ford F-250's alarm going off randomly? Here's how to tackle it. The most common culprits are hood door sensors, sensitivity settings, key fob issues, and battery problems. Start by inspecting the hood and door latches for proper alignment. Even slight misalignments can trigger the alarm due to vibrations. Next, check your key fob battery, typically a CR2032. A weak battery can cause intermittent signals. Use an OBD2 scanner like Blue Driver to check for error codes such as B1317 for low battery and remote or C1A01 for alarm module fault. Ford issued a voluntary recall, 25V123, for some 2019-2021 F-250 models with the Ford Pass Connect module. Contact your dealer for a software update to address alarm sensitivity. If none of these work, proceed to the next section. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try adjusting the alarm sensitivity through your sync system or diagnostic tool. Be careful with extreme sensitivity, as it can trigger from wind or animals. For persistent issues, consider aftermarket alarm modules from brands like Viper or CompuStar. These provide better control over the system. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the body control module, which can clear alarm glitches. Upgrade to lithium-ion key fob batteries, which last longer than the original ones and reduce false alarms. Regular latch inspections can prevent most alarm issues, as recommended by experts. For newer models, Ford's AI-enhanced alarms in 2023 plus trucks reduce false positives significantly. DIY fixes can save money, as shown by success stories on FordTruckEnthusiast.com and Reddit's r/Ford. If problems persist, consult a certified mechanic.